Hi, everyone. This video introduces 3 practical methods to help you recover deleted history on Google Chrome. Way 1. Use My Activity. Open Google Chrome on your PC. Type in My Activity in the search bar and press Enter. Select the first result. Welcome to My Activity. Sign in with your Google account if needed. View your activities on Google Chrome. Way 2. Use DNS Cache. Press Windows and bar on your keyboard. Enter CMD and click OK. Type in ipconfig displaydns and press Enter. Find the Chrome history that you need. Way 3. Use Data Recovery Program Minitool Power Data Recovery. Visit Google Chrome on your PC. Type in Chrome version in the search box. View the save path of your Chrome history. Close the window and run Minitool Power Data Recovery. Select C drive and click Scan. Click the Find option. Type in Google and press Enter. Tick the Google folder you want to recover and click Save. Specify the target folder and click OK. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.